Alright, this is the pump start for the submersible pump that's in the well, which is right over there. It's like about 25-30 feet. And we'll need to pull power out of here. This is 240 volt. And then the variable speed drive next to it is the one that controls the pump inside the tank. This is a 2,000 gallon tank. They've put a variable speed pump inside there. I'm gonna walk around just to get a. This is kind of one of our challenges. Is going to be bringing the acid tank down here. That's kind of what it looks like. They pump the water in from the well. The well looks like it's got a 5 horsepower pump in it, and it comes into the bottom of the tank. Then they have a submersible, I'm not exactly sure what size, coming out of the tank, and this is the outbound where the yellow knob is right here. So we'll have to inbound the acid into this line right here. That's a 2-inch line going in, 2-inch coming out. They got a little bladder tank with the pressure transducer right here. We're running 70 pounds of pressure right there. That's what their drive's set at. That's probably a got water there too, so if we need to wash or clean, I'm thinking I'm gonna go back up here. We're gonna have to bring the acid in this direction, which is not far from the road. Take a view from here. There's where we park. We got to go right down there to the black tank. We can either go down those steps or down here. And then when we're going to put it, I guess we could level ground right there, or we can ease it around this way, put it on top of here, in this area. That's next to the tank, but another area, this is a little problem to get down to, but is to set it down here, which is below, which is close to the power. And then we could strap it to these posts, that post, and we wouldn't have to let it roll downhill. This is another little building here, giving you an idea of pain in the butt to bring the acid in. Other than that, should be relatively easy. Another thought to the acid just came to mind. We could put an empty drum in location and siphon it down from the road. That might be
probably be ideal.
The easiest way to do it. And we'll have to be sure we got, since that's a 2-inch line, probes coming in. And sensors, and that's a 2,000 gallon tank. And, the well power comes, like I said, through that trench and starts at that little box I had open. So we'll have to pull power out of there for the pump, acid pump, or just run the acid pump on 230 volts. Probably be the easiest thing to do. I'll show another 40 amp breaker in there. Typical pump. I'm not real sure how this one starts. It looks to me like the well pump starts. We got 2 wires coming. Starts from as it comes down and it drops. Where does this conduit go? Drops out of here into this conduit and into the drive, to the pin air drive. So I'm assuming when the drive comes on, the well pump comes on. Not sure what keeps the well pump from overflowing that, unless there's a float valve in there, and I'm not going to climb up there and see, but I need to be sure and bring a ladder. Alright, I think that's probably, I'm going to take a picture of this control panel box.